The following message is transmitted by the request of the U.S. President. All clear, I repeat, all clear. A major heatwave struck America with areas reaching 125 degrees Fahrenheit. It turns out that the SCP-610s are weak to high temperatures but can spread rapidly, and that heat melted all the SCP-610s. And the states of Georgia and Alabama are saved. The state of Florida is back to normal. However, we do not know if the SCP-610s that snuck onto airplanes survived, so be careful when you see an airplane. The U.S. military is being sent over to most airports in America just in case the SCP-610s that snuck onto airplanes survived the heat. And a small amount of those planes that the SCP-610 snuck on are going to different countries, such as Canada, France, the United Kingdom, Germany, Mexico, Australia, and more. So we are sending the U.S. military to as many countries as possible with flamethrowers in case the SCP-610 survive. However, if you evacuated from Florida, do not return to Florida until authorities say it's safe. But for everyone else in America, if you have evacuated, you can now return to your homes. However, all U.S. citizens are strongly advised to stay away from airports at all times until authorities say it's safe. So right now in America, normal programming may now resume.